when you watch some of the videos, I ask myself, it's South Africa, South African embassy say someone should tell them, say your real embassy now, you call DSTV. Someone should tell the people of DSTV, your free embassy, you DSTV. So Ghana, me catch now, your free DSTV, you call MTN, now MTN to Ghana, dim kwasiasam, wo ye call na kate, MTN to club ha, dim muasam, wo to data no mafa, you so your MTN na, you call ShopRite. Yes, you call Sania na wo ni na. Aya mo fa post for the national security for them. Bon catch MTN and ShopRite today. With DSTV say, I am saying it, they should get ready. South Africa for so to ho. And a Jimmy sa. Share, mafia. And ra adea a course so. Was South Africa, the way we see Ghana for, Nigeria for, and the Burkina for no. These three nationals, Ghanaians, Nigerians, and Burkina Faso. The way we see Womo and Rano, and yet and Kualabro, Womo de Ken Aba and Yaba and Yadade, and Oma Sapin Anono. Asa langa bi ntu o du twaw o de bo na twaw wo mo so mo nku but wo me prawo because South Africa men are very lazy wo mo pedma edi nku anompe it is a who could do South Africa shops na ye botre wo ho nyina ne fa 80% Ghana for Nigerians. And the boat wo. When we ye brecha, adwuma ye kind of brecha. Messi adwuma no. Yen si dan yen plaster dan yen si dan yen plaster dan no. Togolese Ghana for and Burkina for and ye adwuma no. And a one man te ho. And a one pebre bi abo. Eti Adiana womo yo no. What's your channel friend xenophobia? What's Afrophobia? The fear of the other African. But South Africa for you nipa born into the macatro say, when you nipa be adam no ye dindi or ye dindi ye Jimmy. Where Jimmy for kumi yansenia on yene home. Said Jimmy for supra a yanseni ne fano de the hospital. Time ana Nelson Mandela or Pesika. Etimidia Buama South Africa at the war ho. Your man penny flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings. $1 million. Or sign back room ha. Ever pay another $700,000 a car. When you say Ghana, Emma South Africa for cars. Rawlings a car. Rawlings, Emma South Africa for cars. Said ye bet me at the year. Now yet me at South Africa for a free amania one. It is that time, no. Now, former Zimbabwean president, your friend is saying, Robert Mugabe, or Yakunta, Nayiri Ghana ni. Mugabe wari Ghana ni ba. It's na Bra Mugabe, Ghana for Yakunta. Ono na why mediator between South Africa and Ghana. Ghana, Mako World Bank, Mako IMF. Into my economy ne jina ne naso kakra nti samu osika momra yen kakra Rawlings nya kakra no de ko even JA Kufuor time a table in Mbeki ebeye president e wo krom ha President John Ajekum Kufuor obedi president a call South Africa set one Independence Day to say the yen ha ye di ne set match no my South Africa sika. Oche womade. Then South Africa I am Ghana. One country South Africa ambassador no Nkrumah say, yes, never pam South Africa for the youth of this country get ready. Say Nigeria say we withdraw MTN license. We withdraw DSTV license in Nigeria. Say we moko come ha ye no mo betena me do nyame. Because say ye jai say ye be practicing realism. Na ye ho say yen de ye do nipa dodo ye peni padodo ye do nipa dodo ye peni padodo a sa ye de be ye nkrofo. We see South Africa near catch on Krom. Yeni baby, I'm to East Legon. When my South Africans are more chroma, Yeni baby, I'm here. And not Ghana any girl be one. The way we say poor bayano. The way I was see poor lady no I fed them with food. So why then? Guy way. One more punch in the sun. Why? Because baby your buttery, baby more buttery. Yes, say one more pair, baby your buttery in Safwa. I didn't know my toto shops no more buttery him. 80 for our Safwa now. And what shop now buttery no my. And I say me buttery. Me shop ni nyame dia shop ni wura no me ni baby ote o se kwa che baby ote o se me ni mo se ne yebebo boom mema e prepare won, and that useless bogus toothless bulldog organization calling itself AU is sitting quiet. Say yes, you South Africa for Ghana ha. And no tell me 5 be fie. Baby, I'm to tell East Legon. We will also organize boys and go there. Empty and the Tikrom high. What if the cost is Africa ha? ShopRite. What if the cost is South Chroma? Yes, you have a ShopRite. And let no useless person get up and say, I'm coming from the national security. You are inciting the youth. No, we will incite them. Do you know what that means? Ghana Nibi war food joint our Pretoria. Peter and Ra, Rama, many baby or Adriane. Far or bansa the shed the ane si jasu. What podam? What podam? If you are in the class and come over there, can you know shade the ane na twagu? Ma podam. Near to Tikroba, there were AU Conference of Foreign Affairs Ministers. Go to South Africa now. Na kwa share adia yede all because of what? Say wo mu nya adwuma nya unemployment rate in South Africa no e was through because naturally they are lazy. Wouldn't psychological. Abrofo no di won so no. Ya ma wo mo kwan empie. Aso bia na ni afira. Na wahu ade. Eti Yesu te akwada na ni afira no eni no obisa nse wo no se hom se enua eti ade ne psychological. South Africans no wo mani afira eni ya te wo mani eti wo adwen nyina ye won se eyeye ne ma wo hu ade papa se nnua eyeye ne ma wo hu nipa se dua meanwhile abrofo no di wo so. And you see these guys, they are holding weapons. And now, when we come Nigerians 9, bomutuo pay ni yakun, pay ni yakun, pay bakuni. ya bow tuo wa yam guy ba ko mo de tuo no gina ne yam se poya kaka si o Captain Smart o di atem shop we ya wo hwe ye twaja to mo the entire shop was burnt. Omu twaja ato shop nim ese shop no pasa why boni bay and South Africa aposifo no are helpless. Obiaswan ye krom ha adwuma ni ha o. Someone should tell South Africans to say ye krom ha nso adwuma eni ha. But ye jamu mo de MTN abesi ha. Ko mo de MTN akwakosi abesi ha. When he say Ghana and sorry oh ina no. Yes we hu yansa. Ye kwa South Africa no ye de sorry na ko he. Eti churches awo ho no. Omutumi kwa sorry kwesi ada. Ye beba ura MTN. Mo be say Bora shop writer. Guys get ready. Ye beba ura shop right. So omo kum nipa na omo ani age na omo jubilate omo boss say ekum bibini shops here wo ina baby a wo say jadam ina no eye baby a ebia Ghana for Nigeria for Burkina for baby a ebi brema man crofo bi tete ni ye twaja atum ba me wa mo ti isle go ye beba mo so me kan bibi a munya ready ye beba mo so South Africa embassy na esiwo no yema mo nti asese embassy na esiwo no man tama sase no every South Africa na de beto ha eye yen ya sase ene ye twama mo abodam be no Wait, no, the Brofato, see, South Africa stands at a critical crossroads, and the reoccurring wave of Afrophobia or violence and phobic attacks, and against African immigrants from Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Ghana, Malawi, and represent not merely a domestic social problem, but an existential threat to South Africa's future's prosperity. Because several of us are. They are kikabro for no eguho near. And I want to tell South Africa what they are doing is not sustainable. Because listen, say etikrom hey. Huh? Ya may ya husu boom say akwa DSTV ho adan be see of which we will do it. Tell the national security to get ready. We will lead the youth to DSTV. We will lead the youth to MTN. We will lead the youth to ShopRite. Someone should tell the national security people. Hey, producer Kuachika can have Saga no but hey, I don't know. What's that? A gata and a mode ne nina kwashem and a odaho. And why you helpless? Tetsi and the consul Tetsi and the so. Who couldn't say why they? And then we live here on the continent and we are saying what rubbish. Our leaders are sitting down here. Or German boat, how can you live? Hey, nipa ba kupe. nipa ba kupe. Eto da what trasia na wadwe bibi ni ho asa na obusa wo say tenya. And this is a serious economic self-destruction. Say South Africa ambassador to Krumha or yare anye hospital no beko. What if say I want Pretoria and in Joburg. Say when you South Africa near would be call omo hospital. Sa what you omo krom kasa na kura. Wudru ho ane ebusa say. What kasa no ane o passport ewo hen. Ghana for etimi atre krom ho a omanya South African passport dey be so won nana your friend is saying na sabetu wey na me kuta South Africa passport no be say me nana your friend say anya fans ni kwaku mi cham na mebo South Africa we fans wo ho ya kwaku mi cham wo ho enta say abomi kume and you see South Africa is seen as one of the largest markets in Africa. But let me tell you this. That depends on continental integration. South Africa economy, no, it can never stand alone. It is linked to the other economies of Africa. When you say South Africa exporting 18.7 billion USD dollars, so American choppable dollars to African countries annually, 18.7 billion dollars annually. Read the 2022 finance minister the report to their parliament. 18.7 billion dollars. Now, sir, $18.7 billion Nkwano. And near my back Ghana and in Nigeria and Kwan, just these two nations amounted to 6.7 billion US dollars. And near my South Africa for the back Ghana and in Nigeria and Kwano 6.7 billion US dollars. Go and read your 2022 budget. Ghana, the whole African Kwano. South Africa economy now 28% of the total exporter a grow woman economy no free African countries. Say there are over 1,217 South African countries companies are operating across the continent. Over 1,000 companies, and a year South African companies are what other African countries. MTN you so yeah, you try a credit and show no offer. Who told data? Na MTN show no offer. You be bam ho. Say the MTN offices no wo. Security for no, we will come there. You think we will sit down and watch anybody take any aqua minimum but what you should and to so Santini? What are reality? What are reality? Say, Ubagana ha, Standard Bank, Ewo Krumha, Absa, Ewo Krumha, Netbank, Ewo Nigeria and another part of the country of the continent. Netbank he Papa Ghana ha. First round, any Krumha, any Ghana ha, Yebeba ho. There are 42% of the total growth of South Africa's economy from other African countries. 42%. Or anti-chemo aduane mienu mefia no ano no 42 aduane mienu. So omo hoto won no efri ebibrem aman yenye ho na mo mudi ye. Pick and Pay ewo Ghana South Africa there. ShopRite ewo Ghana ShopRite there. Woodworth ewo Ghana South Africa there. Mr. Price ewo Ghana South Africa there. And one kasa womo finance minister me say go and read their 2022 budget. 7 billion South African rand. And almost South Africa when they convert yen cities to dollars sika omo de South Africa. The youth of this country, get ready. 1 year wild. That wild. Yet now no beer for you dia grobium. Huh? Say, you borrow empty na. I want a better pocket. This Afrophobia is an economic bomb. That's how I describe it. It's an economic bomb. It is out to South Africa now we hear Juma. Say, you pay quite be so. Say we would also retaliate. MTN 2019, Peter. MTN boycotted Nigeria for boycotting MTN in 2019. 2019 pay. MTN said just 3 weeks, they lost 250 billion naira. Just 2 days, 48 hours. I am a person who's there. Your research. 2019, Nigeria boycotted MTN for just 2 hours. For just 2 hours, so don't hear me, you pay. A lot of folk can say, one for MTN, and yes, MTN you see 250 billion naira in 48 hours. Just 48 hours. The same 2019. Obasha says Omudi Sans and Fuwe. Say Nigeria can't say Wamo ever withdraw MTN, any DSTV, any ShopRite license, MTN say or Pacha say just the announcement they are losing over 400 billion naira. They've lost over 400 billion naira. Why are they doing that? Go to Zambia. In 2019, Zambia can say, say, most of this answer, ya ban South Africa product in South Africa, Dominicana, Copacha, or Zambia. Adding to that, they have lost $340 million. And your friend say, DR Congo, and so that's okay, I say. 2021 year DR Congo I can't say one penny sans some phone and no more said 2021 almost started some question some webium 2021 ne ofia kikiri and the DR Congo so okay I say no problem. Mining companies na e wo DR Congo ni na mo free ekrum na mo san ko South Africa. Afei na South Africa by Dimrika echo table ho. Yay, fellow Africans. And I'm a fire home. And I'm a Nigeria ma South Africa sika and the fight apartheid. Ghana, Emma Mubi. Huh? Even Cameroon here on the Namoya, probably at Geneva, the presidency, Oma Muska. All African countries are contributing here. Yes, sorry, yeah. I mean, as I'm saying, this is a futuristic catastrophe. Sure. Sir, Ebedu somewhere around 2028, 2030. That's Afrophobia attacks way. Hey, do you know what is going to happen? Yeah, there will be a lot of economic isolation scenarios. Ghana Bernard is okay. What if says CIA? Abai Sika SSO de fa Ghana for also police for now helpless. Ultimately, Jew because on the side the club from man in Nimi answer. Or a police ni oba ho a o mekunu. Hwade ekuta won. Who TV no? Who near South Africa? Who near Africa ni here yen sa no? Tie India for ho. Womo here Indians na hwe. It is South Africa for per se. Abrofo kwaso di won so. But we are Bibinia, Kokrom. But Peter, can I shock you? Can I shock you? Can I shock AU? Hey, and penny four, woman did that Africa security, I don't know. Sabe, and then Bibi Kakra UPS ya Roma. You question I intino. A toda ya frewa wofa. Do you know what is happening? The multinational companies now what South Africa no and the sponsors xenophobia no. It's the same Americans, the same Europeans, the Indians, the Chinese wanna sponsor xenophobia no. So guys na dey na omo ye no. Sabro fukro na be South Africans no so no. One na sign the sika wuram. It is a wunjimi ya. Any pada wadi wusu awie no. Osama usika. Now the akoto nsanum. Now the akodi nsamfun say. Wa bra ye ne yeboa ma ufiri sa dontori nim. When you watch some of the videos, I ask myself, it is South Africa say ono na mo say omo nim yansa sa. Mo ka South African embassy say ye beba ho. Someone should tell them, say a beba. Ye real embassy now. You have called DSTV. Someone should tell the people of DSTV, ye free embassy wa. Ye be DSTV. Ye free DSTV. Ye be call MTN. Ye free MTN. Ye be call ShopRite. Yes, ye be call Sisani mana ho ni na. Aya mo fa post for the national security for nemra. And kwasa man no. Peter, enra me pikin intel bi afena Africa yes security campus ebeba be shia wo Ghana na wo ma dwene ho kwan e be fa so a sa problem ne ye be solve enye jimi ade we yakoso how many weeks ni 7 weeks akoso bosome ene na watwe mienu ama African AU Parliament kura no entimi nko entimi sete AU Parliament entimi sete ade yakoso 7 solid weeks or more ene yete ho Afen na say security couples bebe beshia ewo Accra, Ghana to discuss how the security implications of the xenophobia attacks on other Africans and yes, xenophobia be Afrophobia. Because in all the videos, Yambu American Ibia, Yambu Indian Ibia, Yambu Chinese Ibia, and Yabi before na. This is an economic bomb. And say it now, me catch us some Ghana man penin I'll practice realism. Who come here, make count. Me Ghana man penin me catch roll plane. Sa oba can Ghana make count me catch now. Eti me pesa me no contest me fia na to me to me car aba office. Na ma bebo amane say ke wo me no be contest. Until you're ready. Emi minyo koto. Minye hufo. Aha. Kwa nkuma moja na wo mu. Na kuma na dem mu. Ni ntini na wo mi mu. Eti binim da meye. Emi minyo koto. Eti sa me no be contest. Member wani ma be catch up pain. Say, hey, senior. Me no be contest no. Eti bobo aho. Ba me na me wini. Eti ya ward. Because my ward dada. Sabe win aboa e be support him. More than na mo say ya we so ho me independent so baba bo tu. Me ya fiata go na ye kwen. Ami mi nyon koto. Mi nyon hufo. Aha, oboa. And yet one you really find in the diplomatic circles and you know you have to rubbish. Say Ghana buy $172 million to bring what is Ghana from South Africa? 1,200,000. What him how much I buy way sika all plane no. South African Airlines Oslo so the Ghana for beba. Oslo so the Nigerians beko. Eti President John Dramani Mahama and you okujato and wo muti pimpim and only Emirates kasa munkwasa Ghana for them munkwasa Ghana for them munkwasa Ghana for them Nigeria forces sa omo de oh sa na MTN Ghana ha di kwasiasem wo ye call na kate MTN club ha di muasam wo to data na o mafa ye be babu so DSTV to club and kwasiasika na ojeje so ya no waju nsabska so ya no waju nsabska now hey the brought in ding yen carry kwa shop right na kwa ha de South Africa, money apple, eba krom ha. Now my sister drinks, abegu shop right, and one yenom, ya can be. When him say blue skies, I can so buy exported drink. Every Ghana had for South Africa company. Go and check the records. What was said that? Bisa Kwakwati, Angel. Nami we Angel, yes, we were having a strategic meeting. How are you able to penetrate South Africa market with Adonko? They rejected it, they said no. Because there are a lot of energy drinks. Our South Africa. That is why I'm more exporting Ghana. It's one penina Adonko and free Ghana and South Africa. Mr. Kwakwati. Men I make a go and ask Kwakwati. Let's apple juice, dead juice, juice, dead juice. Me see a better rush right. Mon catch up on national security for. Let them get ready. And the youth of this country, get ready. I'll bring you a date. Yeah, we are near America for demonstration. So, what kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? Befia, me say mama no onu aduane Peter, no me so nsam e dia share aduane esi jasum. What bodam? Ghana for a wo university e Pretoria. Wo mo share bisa wo nuanom na, o mo South Africans say, you have friends, yes? Tell us the Ghana student. Say I'm saying Ghana for the Nigerians and what universities and what South Africa now whom used to scholarship. Who told you that rubbish? Eti Ghana for ma esuan dear. Our universities who do South Africa no. Woman imagine say from Thursday, woman no may attack woman. Echine ya wade ye. Woman be right universities no attacking African students. How I wish I were the president. Can't see any free Ghana and other. How I wish I were. Hey, listen, Professor Mefia. The economy of this country, a national security issue. Maybe a president. Hey, the deputy minister of finance, or you'll be a Western finance. Oh, finance minister and there, you better help me to start to force it. Tisa pa kwese mi sa atanum, monkwaye. Now, my deputies in there, when we are strategic security people, because every economy under the sun is a national security issue. Maybe a president, I mean, Pinio. So, what was also about 2 Ghana oil? No, about 2 Ghana. What was about 2 gold? What 2 Ghana? Ah, oh, oh. Hey, see. Now, MTN, Tikroma. Or Tikroma. Or a South African company. Share video we Ghana for her we body bra wo ho oye na adwuma wo ho otenase onka bi shem na ye tu na se boom ni ade naba ne bibia bra bia wa boss South Africa, and you know what it is what him say ebinum abobesia e was South Africa sikana she ebinum so aye adwuma mu sika so da South Africa banks eti sama kwata South Africa na ma bombe bra edim sika to bank am send me mama agi kakra na wo ma me so adakro pan na wo de mama Ghana ye be ko MTN ye be ko DSTV ShopRite get ready Efa Azoka Bobo boys na no free tamale bra so far Zoka, Bob boys and hey, Nima boys and get ready. What kind of nonsense is that? Tell our guys to get ready. Invisible forces are more MPP. This is the time we want to see, sir. Munim Yansa. This is the time. To come and obia as obia count the brofo and I can obia slow. Yeah, be South African embassy, be shock him say. ShopRite shops are from here now. I am working to what you some kind of about them. Yeah, Mafia. What is say America? All the cream de la cream diplomats and what's assist you now? Jibra. Alright. One more diplomat and what's assist you now? Mafia. But I told the other no. Donald Trump couldn't go Iran in a year. And Donald Trump feels say there's an existential issue hovering around Israel. Oh yeah, America for informant or Shapomuho. Israel or America informant. Kwasi ante chino yon president no. come from Benjamin Netanyahu or the Kwesi Antachi. Kwesi Antachi no is the president no. American team try on say ono ni informant or shapo mu hono. Because all the big companies all the big inventors America they are all Jews. They are all Jews. Check Mark Zuckerberg actually Jew on the modem. You're developing Google or a Jew. Check in near what America ya kase na we are Jews. They are Jewish people. And all the Jewish people, they are from Israel. So America will not sit down and watch an existential thing to continuously hover around Israel. It's then that says America here. America on kuma Israel be we on any interest. An American interest. And are all fighting. What is the Ghana interest? What is the Ghanaian interest? How are we pushing our interest as a sovereign country? And then we sit down and we watch a country like South Africa just to maltreat our citizens just like that. And say a crack of an aeroplane. Now buy a book over $170 million. So across South Africa for Ghana for the woman Ghana. We have MTN so DSTV wa ShopRite we have so far Zoka, I have spoken with you. Bring the boys. We will show them where power lies. You think we are fools? They have a track commander diplomatically. You know, we need to sit down and then we got to have a discussion. Rubbish. Tabo Mbeki, Ekasai. Tabo Mbeki, Kasawi, say, Adia Omo Yano Nye. What him say? Time now, a year sopano. Me, I met Tabo Mbeki. If not more, not less than 3 times because of J.Kufuor. Me myself Tabo Mbeki drink that. Tabo Mbeki say, time now, xenophobia, somebody they went to Ezra, Tanzania. When him say, one security back at Tutuo, about Tanzanian senior official inside Tanzania. Because they thought, say, Ebia Abrofono and Ama Obi, Abewura Tanzania, they shot and killed that man. But Tanzania buying a dean or cover so because they were all looking for means and other ways to save South Africa from this useless European whatever. Because of you, a South African security officer shot someone in Tanzania. Thabo Mbeki, former president of South Africa, Obwa Mebwa. Today, you guys, you have the effrontery. You guys, you have the effrontery. Krona Mutimu wa South Africa, no, etre krabu nimbo. And here, Sesi and one, Ushe, there's a demographic reality Abedina South Africa Council. And South Africa faces some challenges, demographic challenges as Europe and East Asia. It's to say we share Europe, East Europe and East Asia demographically. When you are doing a proper demographic security analysis, you would appreciate the fact that East Asia and then Europe, I can't quite for. Say Yamino say Germany, Presse Yamu, UK or Presse Crofon. Almighty China, Becca Samobian, which is also a beam, one womb. Ha, Czech Republic, or see one womb. It is a say, the European country, who quiet marriage registration, Air France, Germany, Czech Republic, Italy. I want to do that. Come on, Simon Maniko. Couldn't know him. The reason is that demographically, they are having an age crisis. It's COVID by The intention, COVID one, it was invented. Etina me we me den COVID panier bi ani ho me wo. And I remember na mo wo COVID panier no so, mo ma mo 6-7 years. We check Obama, wo the baby wo be bre me. Wo na say kra be bre dey sorry. It was invented. And it's not, Jarene buy no. Yes, one way this 60 and above, and you're careful. I'm wiping Cocrafe war Europe that in every system because woman you need, woman yet maybe they are buying the Chomoka, buying the Mamuska. They needed to find a way. So this demographic reality is also showing its ugly face on South Africa. Also, South Africa medical system, no. It's better. South Africa medical system, no, it's very strong. It's a good job I do. I want to call hospital. I want to call we. Ghana ministers, MPs, maybe I want to call hospital. It's and Kwafona work on Muno Edoso. It's woman a Kokoye Juma Messin for plumbers, what botte any idea you know. What we are other African nationals. Must say Yantiase. Say fertility rate in West South Africa. First day 2.3. And our folly about 2.0. And that's why I'm saying that, listen, we need to do a proper research into these things. Appreciate the psychological deficiency of these South Africans. And be able to deal with it. When you are dealing with it, you don't deal with it with baby gloves. You don't deal with it that way. Say one fertility rate, you know, at Yaba form. Bisa Dr. Du, South Africans don't want penny for about one say, one fa SM, Emra South Africa. When we are somebody SM, the South African, so I'm so penny. Bisa Dr. Du, about Dr. Du has spent over $100,000 so come on, Bisa. Dr. B.A. Oba Musano, Munga Saminam Kai. When we are Bibia, SM South Africa was on yet. Now, how want to be no do the woman? One more South Africa fertility rate now drop from 2.3 and 2022 about 2.0 and Bana ever from because I want to say baby Bobra, Mamewo. And almost to so abortion, the whole Africa, baby, abortion, pa, South Africa. Abortion, no, and yana. Country, I did post to the two. Post to no two, or supposed to no dead day. My fair say, Monamonum.
We don't be that.
I bet I go. I don't have one thing to say. Post to no two, no, post to no two. Moi, I know no. Post to no two. Country, I post to no two. You did secondary school, Scotch Mama. Yes. Yeah, check one of my members. Yeah, check post to no two. And so much South Africa, Mayano. It's one more fertility crisis. Other African nations also bad boy. Musi here, muti be that. Yeah, and there's a serious moral authority vacuum. And yeah, continent is leadership no ma failure. The leadership of this country, oh no, not this country, this continent, Africa, ma failure. Continental leadership, I forfeited. Why? Anti-apartheid struggles are in South Africa. Nobody is able to tell the South Africans, say, stop this rubbish. We made you who you are today. South Africa had zero account. For the very first time, I was Asiso, Peter, South Africa penny on Maya, no political party be before the Dano, no one to be a bank account. It took Rollins. It took Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings to give you $1.7 million. Today, Motiwo. So far, Zoka, bring the guys. We organize some more boys. But Shamunyan Saukruma. We are it. When you say they respect Yamma and woman to Okruma. Na mami a weja de ma agufie watu bata okoyedra na so beso de nsam de ahye nkwan mu beso de nsam de ahye nkwan mu ana yete ho afa na say security dead national security for IGP, you guys get ready. Yeah, bobo mama ne da do ya jibum okrom ha ho. I know what I say. More potential, better more tension. Yeah, wild. Are they? Share. Already African states in one home. There's a security nightmare hunting all African countries, because of how fragile we are. And when we are already fragile, Ghana is a fragile state, African state. Burkina is a fragile African state. Almost all the African countries, we are fragile states. When you add Afrophobia to it, what will be the results? Regional chaos, continental chaos, continental disaster, continental survival of the fittest. Have you thought of that? Have you thought about how fragile we are as a continent? Have you ever thought of that? And this security nightmare hovers around a movie from her. Now, that is why we are so vulnerable. And nobody want to talk about that. MTN, get ready. ShopRite, get ready. DSTV, get ready. Ye taka momo me sape. Nyan sabeba mutume nwe. Muka sa ye krofo na mo bu ono mku omo no. Wo mo ye nipa. Efa azoka wache. So far azoka wache. What kind of nonsense is that? One South Africa, South Africa, Peter. South Africa itself is surrounded by fragile states. From Mozambique, active insurgency. One more group be war. Mozambique, you're from saying Cabo Delgado or something. No South Africa border and so So South Africa itself, because of the security nightmare and the fragility of African states, is being surrounded by other weak nations like Zimbabwe, Mozambique. Zimbabwe economy required the say gone say sika what the top pano ewo Zimbabwe no what the back Ghana sika to say happen on 20, 30, 40 Ghana cedis no sika what the top pano ewo South Africa no 330 Ghana cedis. Who got one loaf of Mozambique, Zimbabwe. What's the sika? Egu Ghana to say Ghana must go, but what we top pano? Read. Look at Lesotho, chronic instability. Check Lesotho, chronic instability. There are a lot of military tensions. Ewo Lesotho. Basically, is you can say is Swatini, and I said Namkano. It's a serious authoritarian regime, and there's always growing unrest. And the war in Swatini. Malawi there. Ohia. Malawi. Ohia pa defe pa ohia any climate stress. Any idea echi womo ewo Malawi. As for Namibia there, the least talk about them the better. They are a bit stable. Malawi is stable, say. But economically, Malawi is very vulnerable. But Botswana. Botswana is the most stable African country. Botswana is stable, but small and surrounded by instability. South Africa na nkasa na hohono. Countries say try to a fragile states. They are living in a conflict zone. And then most Americans may attack Americans, may attack Indians. Meanwhile, time now America. Nelson Mandela we know what America say. I have forgiven them. Nonsense. You have forgiven who? Nelson Mandela, who did you forgive? You have forgiven who? You forgave the Abrofo. And here before the animal there, man fan chain. Yes, so the Amamuska. Mr. You get ready, the Minjai cry. HSA. Patrol. HSA. DSTV is over $40 million every year. Who will come? Every quarter. What's what mean? Sabia. Sika DSTV is over not the call. MTN and running into billions. ShopRite and running into billions. Yen kashi. The oil chop back someone should tell South Africa Embassy, enough is enough. We have endured for quite too long. Stop! Stop this rubbish! South Africa Embassy, get ready. You think we are weak? We are not. You see, change when it is denied or too long delayed, violence will break out here and there. Not that the men planned or willed it, but our accumulated grievances will erupt. And that is coming with a volcanic fury. And I'm just saying, Ghana maybe a shop with Pretoria. Producer show ye. Gasoline. Nobody copy him. The petrol. Try that too. Yeah, you bet me a shanty no. You bet me a shanty and today. You think we can ban MTN now? Ha! What do you say ShopRite? We can ban ShopRite. We can ban ShopRite today. You borrow DS for someone dining here. I did better try a boy. DS for 4 next one. I did better try a boy. My papa glasses Nina. You think we can ban DSTV? We can ban DSTV one time quick. And you know, to so cocoa we num by a tear. You think we can do same? Watch us. Watch us. Won't catch MTN and ShopRite today. DSTV say, I am saying it, they should get ready.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.